Hi, my best friend Arnab Goswami. I watch only Republic Bharat and Republic TV, English and Hindi both, because nobody speaks so strongly, so firmly. I clap when you are really roaring like a lion and challenging even the most brutal, savage, barbarous sinners of India. But what is happening? You are creating a lot of enemies. You have told the truth about drugs, about murder, massacre, about all the evils and devils, about the Tukre gang, the divisive forces. And so the whole corrupt people are against you. But as I love you, I see that you have lost your peace of mind. And the most loyal journalists, thousands in number, are working with you. They are being harassed by the corrupt government and the corrupt instruments of these governments, the police forces. You know everyone who I am talking. The police forces are nothing, they are the puppets of the hands of these government. So what is the advice you? As Gandhi said, we should hate the sin, not the sinners. Anybody can swing from negative mental attitude to positive mental attitude. You highlight the facts, bring out the truth, and send it to the government of India, to the Supreme Court and the High Court. Don't take personal grudge and personal antagonistic approach towards anyone, because your family have to live in happy. You have to live in happy. You have to have peace of mind, and all your loyal journalists, they have to have also peace of mind. They are ready to give you blood, toil, tears and sweat. You have to respect them. So few lines from Max Ehrmann. Without surrendering, try to be on good terms with everyone. With due respect, I tell you, Arnab Goswami. Speak your truth quietly and clearly, and listen to others, even to the dull and ignorant. They too have their story. These 2 lines from Max Ehrmann. Go placidly from noise and haste, and remember what peace can there be in silence. You need peace. My sister, your wife, need peace. My sisters and brothers in your team need a peace of mind. We are doing some kind of work. Occupation is journalism. But ultimately everything ends towards peace, happiness, healthy, wealthy, physical, mental, spiritual, emotional balance. That is not in your team, beloved Arnab Goswami. Also I can tell you what Ralph Waldo Emerson taught us. What is success? To laugh often much. Of course, you are laughing even in a stressful condition. That's great. You are a hero. You are a brave man. I rank you and I make you parallel to Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad, Lal Walpal, Mangal Pandey, Jhansi Ki Rani. You are brave. I salute you always. But to win the respect of the intelligent people and affection of children, to win the respect of intelligent people and affection of children, to earn the appreciation of the honest critic and betrayals of false friends, to appreciate beauty, to find the best in others. Dear friends, try to understand. Don't compromise, man. Do sting operation. Highlight the truth. Truth triumphs. Truth will always triumph. And as you are a great man, you have learned even Patanjali Yoga Sutra. Yama, Niyama, Asana, Pranayama, Pratyahara, Dhana, Dhyana, Samadhi. Everywhere, non-violence, truth, non-stealing, celibacy, non-possessive nature, purity of mind, heart and soul, swaksha, santosa, contentment, tapasa, perseverance, personal initiative, swadhyaya, isvara paridhana, everything you know. I wish you best of luck. I stand by you. It is very difficult to talk to you. I am not a very famous man. I am not known to everyone. But I know everyone's state of mind, what who is thinking. Thank you and best of luck. If you like, you can talk to me. I am definitely at harmony with your thought, your words and action. We love our motherland. We salute our tricolor. We respect our 130 crore civilian. We love our army, defense forces. We love everything. But we don't really have respect for those corrupt those evils and devils who are trying to destroy the motherland fabrics. We have to be very brave, and I have much more to tell you. Much more to tell you. If you believe that you are great, you are Chandragupta, Maurya and Chanakya, there should be no election. And anybody who is uttering anything anti-India, they should be bring to task. The tongue should be tied permanently. Think Jai Hind. Think Vande Mataram. Think Bharat Mata Ki Jai. Respect everything what is good for Mother India. Thank you, Arnab. Best of luck to you.